back possession there. It's not far from the goal. Instead of winning back possession, it's going to be very difficult for Butuma to get touches on the ball, but he needs to be disciplined and stay in that central position and occupy the two defenders. As you see, Phil is just following him.
Moremi, it's a nice ball in! And Moremi has set up Mofokeng. Well, the last thing you would expect is for Rele Mofokeng to score with his head, but that's precisely what he's done.
Stayed nice and disciplined. It's all about that. It's played wide, one touch to control, and a delightful ball there, and a sublime finish there.
With that said, a lot of credit has to go to his defence. Only Sundowns have faced fewer shots on target than Pirates this season. Here's Moremi doing some defensive work. A little bit of a mix-up between Dern and Felix. Mofokeng. But yeah, that means they have more than any other team. By his countrymen, who came all the way across from the opposite flank. Allen coming across, getting there ahead to Tuma. Away to Mofokeng. Finds Moremi. The challenge from Phillies. Lovely from Mofokeng. Zwane
Stuck into their half. Credit to Orlando Pirates.
Mofokeng. Just Apollos laying it off for Mofokeng. Has the strength to get away from Khadebe. Moremi puts it across. Mofokeng over the top.
They went for placement, not power. He stayed on target. Great defensive work there from Khadebe. Released it from Mofokeng, hung out, lurking on the edge of the box. Just leaning a little bit.
But maybe a little aimlessly as Zwane gives it away. Shot the whistle had gone at that point. Number 2 man.
So far, Orlando Pirates doing what is necessary. Still a bit of time on the clock. Dominant display. And a number of players, a bit of a smile there between Zwane and the goal scorer.
Dion. Makopa. He's found Mofokeng. Oh! Well, it has gone in. It won't go down at his goal. Look at this turn now from Mofokeng. And yes, it will be a Darren Johnson own goal.